Hello everyone. The former President Jacob Zuma's party, Umkhonto weSizwe, is taking over in KwaZulu-Natal. The Umkhonto weSizwe party continued from where it left off in its recent debut by-election by taking votes of the IFP and now the ANC to give both established parties a fright in a marginal IFP seat in Uphongolo, KwaZulu-Natal. The IFP took a seat of the ANC in Newcastle. People have voted in Uphongolo and these are the results. Uphongolo Ward 2 by-election, Twaleni VD, IFP got 235 votes, MK Party got 220 votes, ANC got just 212 votes, and the EFF got 3 votes. In Isamandla VD, the IFP got 655 votes, MK Party got 467 votes, and ANC got 383 votes, and the EFF got just 49 votes. And the total number, IFP got 890 votes, Umkhonto weSizwe party got 687 votes, and the leading party, African National Congress, got 595 votes, and the EFF got just 52 votes. Umkhonto weSizwe is indeed gaining more. Your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.